Today, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background in Microsoft Teams during a meeting. This is a great feature if you want to keep the focus on you rather than what's happening behind you, or if you're working from a space that's a bit cluttered or distracting. So, let's assume that you're already inside a meeting. Once you're in, look at the top of your screen where you'll see the meeting controls. Right beside the camera icon, there's a small drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This menu gives you access to various video effects and background options that can enhance your video appearance during calls. After clicking the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Standard Blur. Click on it to activate the blur effect. What this does is soften everything in your background while keeping you in sharp focus, creating a more professional look without needing a fancy backdrop or a tidy room. Now, if you look closely at the standard blur option, you'll notice there's a small arrow pointing down next to it. Click on that arrow to expand your blur options. Here, you'll be presented with two choices, standard blur and portrait blur. The standard blur applies a general softening effect to your entire background, while portrait blur uses more advanced detection to specifically blur everything except you, creating an even more defined separation between you and your surroundings. Choose whichever option you prefer based on your needs and the look you're going for. Once you make your selection, the blur effect will be applied immediately to your background. You should see the change happen in real time in your video preview with your background now pleasantly blurred while you remain clear and in focus. And that's it. You've successfully blurred your background in Microsoft Teams during your meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.